Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we are again with me, Professor Belfrost. Today we'll discuss other sets of problems related to mathematics, physics, chemistry from past exam papers that have collected so far. So ready, set, go. Here's the problem that we are going to discuss today. Let's take a screenshot first. Done. Great. Then pause the video and give a try first before checking out the answer to the solution provided in this video. So for number one, actually this is easy. So we see that this is the depiction of the first problem. Okay, so the total mass of the disk is actually can be expressed as sigma times the area. Sigma is the mass per surface area. Okay, so the sigma times pi r square equals 9m, while the mass of the circular disk is this cut, not this square. Yeah, this cut is sigma times pi times r over 3 squared, which is equals m. So let's consider the above system as a complete disk of mass 9m and a negative mass m superimposed on it. So the moment of inertia I1 of the complete disk is half times 9mr squared bound axis passing through O and perpendicular to the plane of the disk, whereas moment of inertia of the cut-off portion of the axis passing through O axis and perpendicular to the plane of the disk is half times m times r3 squared. So the moment of inertia, the cut-off portion of an axis passing through O and perpendicular to the plane of the disk can be found by using the perpendicular axis theorem. It gives us half times m times r3 squared plus m times r3 squared. So the total moment of inertia of the system on axis passing through O and perpendicular to the plane of the disk is I equals I1 plus I2, and it gives us that I is actually half times 9mr squared minus, why minus? Because this is the cut-off portion, minus uh, the sum of half times m times r third square plus m times 2r third square, and it gives us 4mr squared. So this is the moment of inertia of the system with the cut-off portion. Okay, number two for the mathematics problem. So the total range of the set for 5 students is actually 5 factorial, which is 120. And the favorable characteristic we want, okay, I mean T1 intersect T2 intersect T for 3 and intersect 3 for T4, I mean, can be listed as shown below. Okay, so we have 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. I mean, totally that is, yeah, there are 40 favorable cases. So the required probability is 40 over 120, which gives us 7 over 60. And that's the answer. Okay, how about number 3, the chemistry problem? So zinc oxide. So all the zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide, but in given reaction, it acts differently, one as acid and one as base respectively. We see the chemical reaction that I've shown this, right? So for reaction A, zinc oxide reacts with sodium oxide to form sodium zincate. And sodium oxide is a basic oxide agent here, and zinc oxide reacts with it to form a salt. In this reaction, zinc oxide acting as an acidic oxide because it reacts with the basic oxide to form a compound, showcasing its amphoteric property. But for B, the zinc oxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form zinc carbonate, and carbon dioxide actually acidic oxide, and zinc oxide here reacts with it to form a salt. So in this reaction, the zinc oxide is acting as a basic oxide because it reacts with an acidic oxide to form a carbonate, again demonstrating the amphoteric nature. It means that it can act as acid and base. It actually depends on the reaction. Okay, so done for today. So here's a little quote for you. So, Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "If you can fly, then run. If you can run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward." So that's that for you. Thanks for watching. Here's what to do. Right? Give a like, comment, and share this video to your friends. I'll be back on Tuesday and Thursday every week. So keep staying here. And also don't forget to visit our website, https colon forward slash word slash science with explorexp.un.ux.com to check our free learning resources. Keep watching and be thoughtful. Goodbye. See you.